Hello, David Bradley here in the TV room. So I was going to do a close-up video of what weird things were happening with this tape. And while I was getting ready to do that, and I did this very quickly, but I still had this thing running because it was doing kind of weird things, well, it stopped. And I said, well, that's interesting. Why did it stop? Well, it stopped because it ate the tape. And not only did it eat it, it broke it. Where's the end? There, it's ripped it. There's the end of the tape. It has ripped it apart. It has. That is not good. So this tape, which I have relied on for so long, is dead. Anyway, I'm going to, with great care, take this out. Maybe I'll have to give it a good burial. Now here is another tape, and I'm going to hit the rewind. Oh, we won't be able to see it so well here. Oh, because that one had a nice, clear thing. Let's see here. Maybe if we zoom, and I'm not going to let this do this for long. I'm going to hit play. I don't think we can see anything that's going on. But before, no, because it's not clear. It's just not clear. The other thing had a very clear case. So I could sit there saying, oh, that's looking strange. Not good. All right. So we'll stop. Now, I don't even know what's on this tape, if there is anything. I'm going to type in load. I'm going to press play. Oh, wait a second. You can see weird things happening up in here. See how the tape... Okay, no, we got trouble. We got trouble. Let's see here. Oh yeah, we're already on the... Look at that. It's already popping out. This would mean it was on its way to eating another tape. Now I can save this now with my finger. I'll get that back in position. I'm going to rewind. See, the rewind and the fast forward seems to work fine. That's really hauling. But this is bad. It's eating tapes. I'm going to rewind again. Let's see now. Can I get any closer? No, I'm as close as I can get. All right. We'll let this rewind. And I'll move this slightly over here. And I'm just going to press play. And the place to watch is right in here. And we're not going to do this for very long. But you see, it's going weird. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. See, it should be going right up nice and tight. And it's not. Okay, it didn't get out yet. All right, hang on. Rewind. Stop. Play. Now watch. See, it's that little bit is going around. And it's getting tied up in there. See, it should just be nice and straight. It shouldn't be doing this. And the wheel, see, oh, okay, we're in trouble. The little wheel, or the thing. Oh no, stop, stop. It's not spinning right. All right, you know what? What we have here, we're gonna fast forward. What we have here is parts. That's what we have here. Because if it's gonna eat tapes, well, no, 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 we can't have that. So, by the way, what we're looking at here is, of course, obviously the counter. Don't knock the phone. This here, this is the motor. Oh, kind of magnetic. This is what makes everything happen. It does. Everything spins and the gears do their thing. Oh, look, you can see the belt down in there doing the counter. So we are fast forwarding. But we are done with this. So definitely, oh, and it's funny because the computer there is saying that it's searching. Is it going to come out of it? Oh, it did. Look at that. It did. So, parts are good. They are. They are indeed. So definitely, if I was, see, it's funny, you see people with things up for sale, and they say untested. Well, oh, no, no, no. You never know whether you've got something that's pretty okay or not. That's why we test things. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. Well, my tape that I've been using is now ruined. So I will have to find something else. I will. Sadness. Oh no. That means I've lost the world of Commodore. Fill the memory thing. It's gone. I didn't have it on another tape. I don't think I did. Oh no. There it is. World of Commodore 8K. Gone. I'll have to recreate that. Well, maybe I can recreate it better. Always have a backup. It is with great sadness that I take this tape and I throw it away. So we are rewinding. We are. This could have gone better. Oh, sadness, 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 sadness. But it gives us a chance to see inside here. Okay, so this is done. Look, I can press the reset button and all the little numbers come back to 0. Now I guess what I can do here, just for a moment, is I can press play. Okay, we can already see this thing here. It's not spinning right. The this here, it's not. And I don't know why, but it's not. You look at it stuttering away here. See, it should be spinning at a nice steady rate, and it's not. Not at all. Ooh, and then of course in the back of my mind, I wonder, oh, look at the counter, it's just crawling. I wonder, did the oil that I put on there do bad things? I just put a little wee drop. That's why I have kind of almost like the surgical thing. But anyway, look, like the counter is just saying, I am not doing that. It's spinning okay here. Mind you, it could be, oh, I don't know. Oh, okay. So looking here, this isn't spinning right, but then see this wheel here is what goes on there, and it's not spinning right. They're both squirrely, and I think that one drives that one, and that is not good. Hmm. So they, I wonder, did the tiny, oh, this is going to be tough. Did the tiny little bit of oil that I put in here cause trouble? See that thing? Okay. I can barely get on that. And it's still spinning awfully. I don't know. See it start, and it stops, and it stutters. Anyway, if you have any insights to any of this, let me know. Put this here. No, it's just not happening. Oh dear. Oh well. I'll have to recreate the memory filling program. I'll do it better. I will at some point. And right now, I'm going to finish the notes on this and say that it eats tapes and it is for parts. Yep. And it's funny, even now it looks like this is spinning at a steady rate. It's this thing that is not. And I do think it's like it's in the thing okay. This is annoying. And the longer it does this here, the worse it's getting. Alright, well, that's enough of that. Parts. Parts it is. And when you say parts, gee, what are you gonna, what could you use your parts? Well, you could steal the motor off this. Oh, now has it stopped spinning completely? Yeah, it has. Huh. Oh dear. Oh well. It actually was showing signs of hope. But it just, anyway. Maybe it's belt problems. I don't know. Anyway, well, thanks for coming to the TV room. We'll carry on, because that's what we do. Bye for now. You can't, you know what, as they say, you can't save every puppy in the pound. Bye.